Welcome to 38 for you, everyone. I'm Troy Thompson. Joining me in the studio today is Will Simmons from AAA Fast Tax Services, and today we're talking all about the documents that you need for your tax returns. Welcome to the show, my friend.
Thank you.
Nice to see you again. I bet you are just going crazy.
Right about now, yes.
Right about now is your busiest time.
Correct.
I do want to ask you, what are the documents needed for someone when they go to lodge a tax file?
Well, the most important thing is identification, i.e. driver's license, social security cards, W-2s, 1099 for those that are 1099Rs for those that are retired, or 1099 miscellaneous.
I got you. Can I ask you a question off the cuff of my head?
Sure.
I just was thinking, how important is it if someone was using, say, just an online tax accountant, our online filing system, do you feel it's better to have an ongoing person like yourself every year, year after year, when it comes to filing your tax returns, because you get to know what those benefits and issues are for the client?
Exactly. We get to know the client and their dependents. So we get to know just about everything about you.
Yeah. I know since I've been in America, I've had the same person every year, and he seems, because I literally just filed my taxes, and he said to me, he said, Troy, I need to know about this from last year. I was like, completely forgotten about that, you know, and I needed to go and do a bit more background work and find out what was possible.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about tax credits when it comes to child tax credits. At what age does the child tax credit end?
Child tax credit are good up until 16. At age 17, they stop.
Okay, at 17 years of age.
17 years of age, the child tax credit stops. It cuts off.
All right, I got you. This is a good question from one of our viewers. Can dependents be filed if they work and are still living at home?
Yes, they can. However, if the parent is providing more than 50% of the upkeep of the child, of the dependent, then of course the dependent can still file if they're working, but on their return, they'll have to file being claimed by another taxpayer, i.e. the parent.
That sounds confusing. That's why we need to see you, Will.
That's right.
And break it all down. One of our other viewers wrote in and said, Troy, what is the maximum that can be filed from your 1098T? I told them they had to watch the segment.
Okay.
Because I don't know.
A lot of folks don't understand what a 1098T is, but a 1098T is nothing more than a tuition statement from the university which your child is attending, or perhaps you are attending. And the important thing is, if you're under the age of 24, the child cannot receive the entire tax credit, but the parent can receive the entire tax credit, but you can only file up to, in block 2 of 1 or 2 on the 1099T, you can only file up to $4,000.
I got you. Very quickly, Will, how is foreign income reported?
Foreign income is reported up to, the exclusion goes up to $105,900. As long as you make that much or less, you're good. But anything over $105,900, you're taxed on.
All right. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. If you want to find out more about AAA Fast Tax Services, there it all is up on the screen. Give Will and his team a call. He'll take care of you. Back after this short break.